Stay so fresh, so clean, think they like me. I wear more Supreme than a hype bitch.
Yeah, it's your boy DJ from the D&D game, bro. We about to prank my sister. She's right in the TV room watching some TV. We're about to prank her and make gunshot sounds. Like I'm gonna come running inside, and then I'm gonna be like, yo, Lord, help me. And then all she gonna hear is gunshots. I'm gonna put the speaker by the window. Make sure she don't see it. Y'all ready? Let's go. But I'm introducing you to DeAndre. So back in DeAndre's right here. We about to get popping. It's the D&D gang. Yo, we about to get lit, bro. So DeAndre gonna be sitting at the dining table. Alright? So let's go, DeAndre, sit at the dining table.
There's so much you don't understand. I understand that you cheated on me. Just because there's been bad doesn't mean there hasn't been good too. So what happens? We deserve better. Are we just supposed to forgive and forget? This isn't like you and Brady. Your father and I have been married for 18 years, and you don't walk away from something like that.
Mom, come here.
Look, I gotta go. When you back to my ship, I told you I'd stay over at hers. Well, tell Taylor I will stay.
What happened to your pants?
Rosario!
Just stay down.
Yo, what's up, y'all, bro? We got her good, bro. Yo, look at her, bro.
Oh, nah.
Look at her, bro. She got caught slipping, bro. She got caught, bro. Violated, bro. We call her, bro. Catch y'all later, bro. Y'all already know the D&D gang up in here. Woohoo! Prank wars in this bed. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Puppies!
Stay so fresh, so clean, think they like me. I wear more Supreme than a hype bitch.